Takes a few supplies, a soldering iron kit, all the wire we're going to need, all the labels, small selection of connectors, all the cable, all the nmea, the little tools, the box of screws, the wire ties, the wire pulling cable, the weather vane cable, so you can see the heat shrink, the hole saws. Does your electrician show up with this? We have 20 boxes of connectors and screws, but how many of your electricians show up with everything you need for any kind of satellite or television and any kind of thing you'd ever need for any kind of RF, from Sirius, small SMA, to RF PL259s, RCAs, it's all there, ready to go. If you haven't done Starlink yet, these are the connectors that come with the Starlink system. So you can see it's about the size of your pinky. That's the hole you need through your steel tube.
Percentile. Probably more, actually. More.
And how do you wire up a boat without listening to the Padres?
I mean, he's up past, he's in the 90s.
Every kind of wire label or switch label you can imagine. I mean, every kind. Any design. Triple checked for leaks. All cable ends kept inside the bags at all times. Marine wire or no wire. Tinned high strand cam. Solder or gasless Deutsch connectors. Not very many crimps unless they're on terminal strips. We're wiring up the Tuna tower and the fly cover today. We've already got all the electronics into the dash up there, putting on the nav lights, all the antennas, and running all the wires through the steel tubes. Speakers, VHF radios, TV antennas. Then we have to get all those wires down through these pipes and make sure everything's soldered and heat shrunk. AC floods, DC floods, forward floods, aft floods, forward cameras, aft cameras, side cameras, forward speakers. Added a conduit right there. Nice, beautiful tops, so that conduit had to blend in. It looks like it blended in there pretty nicely. That's really stuff full. And then we do the lights. And up here on the next station up, wired up all the controls and all the black fabric. That's for boat protection. We can't harm any new surfaces, so we use a lot of protection. Rolls of protection. We use a lot of dielectric grease for corrosion.